blooming. Look! Look, the flowers are blooming. Look, can you see? I don't know if you can. Look. Can you see? I don't know if you can call it flowers. I don't know what is it called. Something, but it has bloomed. I'm making my breakfast. Yesterday night, I woke up at 3:15-ish, or maybe 3:30. I don't know. Around that time. I just wanted to have ice cream. And I knew that there is ice cream in my freezer. And I only have vanilla ice cream. I don't like any flavored ice cream. Vanilla is okay. And I put a little bit of coffee on it. Sprinkle a lot of coffee on it, actually, not a little bit. And then I eat my vanilla ice cream. Lovely it tastes. If you haven't tasted it or had vanilla ice cream like that, try it. Try it. It's really good. Do you like burnt cheese? I love burnt cheese. You know, whenever I make something with cheese on it and a little bit of cheese just falls on the pan or the air fryer and it burns, it becomes like brown and crispy. Oh, I love it. I love burnt cheese so much. Anyway, what I was saying is that at 3 o'clock, I woke up and had ice cream. I had an indication that my tonsils were going to flare up in the morning. I just had it. But for the first time in my life, my indication was wrong. And I have normal tonsils. My tonsils are normal sized, not swollen up. So thank you, God. Thank you for saving me from this stupid action that I did. I don't know how to explain this, but I usually eat at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. I have always done that, and I don't know why I do that. I am just sleeping, and suddenly I wake up and I go to the kitchen and I eat and then I sleep again. And I sometimes don't even remember what I ate. And that's the truth. What I'm speaking right now, it's 100% true. 100. You can cross-check it with Rahul. You know what? When Rahul comes today, I'm going to ask him the question. I just washed my fucking hair last night. And it's already oily. Oh, what would I do to not have oily hair? I think we all know at this point that I like winter season a little too much. And I wait an entire year for this time period, the winters to come so that I can wear my blazers and my sweaters and my jackets because I love winter fashion. I love it. That's why I always say that I think I'm destined to live in a winter country where there's more winter and less summer so that I can just, like wear my stuff. But I cannot really buy a lot of winter stuff because for the rest of the year, it'll go to waste if I spend too much buying just winter stuff. Although I want to and I wish to, but I cannot because that'll be just waste of fucking money. So I buy limited winter stuff every year so that I can wear whatever that I have bought completely and wholeheartedly without wasting it. I love blazers so much. So apart from blazers and winters and fashion in general, food plays a very important part in my and Rahul's life. So apart from food being the basic essential thing to survive and live, apart from that aspect of food is kind of like a love language for us. Every time we needed to do something important, talk about something important in life or take major decisions, this grabbing dinner just became a thing. So today morning Rahul called me and he said, I'm a little fucked up, I'm a little tired. And I was like, huzzah, let's go grab dinner. You're tired, I am tired, little bit fucked from the brain. So let's go grab dinner and talk it out like we always do. So I'm going to wear my favorite blazer skirt set today. It's gray in color. It's perfect. It's beautiful. And it's just amazing. Amazing. I ran out of my eyebrow gel. So maybe I can use an expired mascara to do my eyebrows and just hope and pray that it works. I think it is working. Because it's dry, like I said, it's expired. Instead of doing a black liner, maybe I can do a brown one. I was going to just wear the blazer and the skirt. It's skirt plus shorts, skirts. Skirts? Skirts. Okay. I was just going to wear the blazer and the skirts, but I don't know. It's a little too chilly today. I think this looks good. I want to wear something gray underneath because it just matches with the blazer, the color, and it looks seamless. It looks like one thing. Even though it's not one thing, there are like three different clothing items here. But I don't know why. It just looks seamless. Or maybe I can just ditch the sweater altogether. I have this and I have this. This and this. I want to take a pure black bag because anything else will just add an extra color. And I'm thinking of going silver with this, like silver earrings with this. So anything else will just, I don't know, just add an extra layer of color which I don't want. So this looks nice. Or maybe this. I think I'll go with this. For earrings, I have these. And I also have these. Now, Rahul is going to Nepal after 3 days. And he doesn't have a fucking bag. Can you imagine? Can you imagine how some people can be so ill-prepared in their lives? He doesn't have a bag to carry. How is he supposed to go anywhere? Anyway, now I'll have to go get a bag for him. Let me just do the math and understand. I can either go and get a bag right now, or else I can order online, but then I'll have to check if I'm going to get the bag tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because that is the deadline. It's better if I just go and get it. Right. Anyway. One is this. The other one is this. I like this one more. This is a little too much, but just wait. Let me just show you. I don't know where am I going to wear these, but look at these. How lovely. How lovely. But I know it's too much, but so cancel. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't know. I really like this. Although, what if I change this light gray color sweater with black? I mean, we can try and see how it looks, right? Let me just see how it looks. How about this? I love a black turtleneck so much. It is like one of my favorites. One of my favorite item of clothing after blazer. The before one looked seamless, because it was almost the same color. But here it kind of like breaks. Like you can see the break. On days where I want things to look like one, I usually go for an entirely monochrome look. But today, maybe I can just wear black. So now the bag and the turtleneck matches. And this matches as well. So, I think I can do this. I really do like this. Maybe this is it. Maybe I'll do this today. What do you say? Maybe I'll go for the black. Huzzah! I like the black. Let's go with the black. Let's say bye to everybody before we leave for dinner. It's too early for dinner, but we also need to buy a fucking bag now because he needs a bag. Yes, come. Yay! Let's say bye to everybody. Bye! I see you guys later. Later, alligator. Okay. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano.